Taking on an office renovation project and leading that for our team was a daunting prospect. I'm trained in marketing and communications, not renovating offices, so we utilized AQUILA to serve as project managers for our renovation. My name is Ryan Poulos. I'm the Director of Communications for the Real Estate Council of Austin. The Real Estate Council of Austin is a 501c6 trade association that represents the commercial real estate industry in Central Texas and Austin. The process working with AQUILA as our project management team couldn't have been smoother. AQUILA helped us with our lease negotiations, but they also helped us use some of the money we had set aside to do an office renovation. Our office, before AQUILA helped us renovate it, was pure 1992. AQUILA came in, helped get the design team together to come up with a concept, and then they executed that concept by managing all the trades, from the painter to the electrician to the floor people. They helped execute that vision. My favorite part is just how fresh and clean the office looks. We have a new conference table that seats 4 more people than our previous table. We have new paint, new carpet, the new furniture. Everything looks like it goes together. What I appreciate a lot about AQUILA and their process is the personal touch. The AQUILA team came to our office, we walked each room, we sat down, we talked about what's viable, what's not. The AQUILA team made us feel comfortable that we could ask anything we wanted. We could ask how long it would take, is this even possible? And they had answers right off the bat. It can be a stressful process to go through an office renovation, not knowing what to expect, but thanks to AQUILA, their team, making complex issues easy to digest and take in and understand, we were able to get through the process simply and cleanly and with no surprises.